When you see something that you develop helps improve the lives of someone else, then you too share in their joy. Hi, my name is Jae Hann. I think it all started when my group members were brainstorming and I realized that actually some of us had the experience of being caregivers for our loved ones. Our solution was developing a device that basically fits on your wheelchair. You prop the patient up and this would reduce the angle that the caregiver has to bend or lean forward in order to lift the patient up. That was one of the motivations for me to specifically look into the health tech space, because I felt that this could improve the quality of lives.
Freshly baked.
We use materials that can kind of adapt to the environment in terms of heat, light, or electricity. So our first device, which are 4D printed cars, rely on this principle to when you heat our cars up, it will begin to shape itself automatically to your hand with the right pressure, so not too tight and not too loose.
What I'm working on actually does bring an impact on people's lives. So what I did was some physical hardware and software modifications on the 3D printer so that the cars that were printed on it were more stable and more consistent. I had to really observe and see whether the distance between both extruders were calibrated well, and also whether the first layer that's being printed prints at the right height. Sometimes, occasionally, you observe that material is actually not being extruded from the nozzle. Then I had to basically come and attend to the problem, troubleshoot.
He could really look from an outside perspective as to how to make our production machines more efficient, more reliable. And it really consisted of him making upgrades, sourcing for parts, researching on innovative ways to automate processes.
I actually was fortunate enough to be sent to China together with my supervisor to help Castomize set up a small-scale manufacturing facility.
Internship provides an avenue for students to learn more at the workplace. We really value that because students are able to bring forward what they have learned in the classroom and apply to the workplace. The SGInnovate talent program has helped our students to put forth their ideas, participating in deep tech, cutting-edge technology.
I actually did manage to do something that had direct impact or contribution to the company. That's something that startup industry gives you.